program is co-sponsored by Aiga, Sikkim Motors, Old Factory, Pristine, Greendale School, Touchwood, Anaya and Ashray Dental Care, Telemantra, Sikkim Supreme and Hotel Sikkim Delight. Quizzing You is presented by Sikkim Digital Network.
Hello everyone and welcome to Sikkim Digital Network presents Quizzing You, Sikkim's first televised quiz show where students of senior secondary schools will battle it out to become Sikkim's quizzing genius. Today we have 6 teams from different parts of the state come together to compete in this competition. Without further ado, let us welcome each one of them and also request each team to introduce themselves to the audience.
Hello everybody, my name is Sudip Subba, representing Sombaria Senior Secondary School, and my ambition is to become a professional footballer.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajat Pranan, representing Senior Secondary School Sombaria, and my ambition is to join the Indian Air Force.
Hello everyone, I am Archana Sharma, representing Government Senior Secondary School Assam Lingze, and my ambition is to become a doctor.
Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Thapamangar from Assam Lingze Senior Secondary School, and my ambition is to become a neurologist doctor.
Hello everyone, I am Teji Mingi Bhutia, representing Mangan Senior Secondary School, and my ambition is to become an engineer.
Hello everyone, I am Robin Chetri from Mangan Senior Secondary School as well, and my ambition is to become a teacher.
Hello everyone, I am Diwakar Pradhan from Tadung Senior Secondary School, and my ambition is to become an engineer.
Hello everyone, my name is Raman Gupta. I am from Tadung Senior Secondary School, and my ambition is to become a doctor.
Hello everyone, I am Pasangmit Lepcha from Higetang Senior Secondary School, and my ambition is to become an IPS officer. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kasang Lepcha. I am from Higetang Senior Secondary School. My ambition is to become software engineer.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Gurung and I'm from Peling Senior Secondary School, and my ambition is to become an ornithologist.
Hello everyone, my name is Songchuk Sherpa. I am from Peling Senior Secondary School, and my ambition is to become a software engineer.
That was a brilliant introduction. Some doctors, some footballers, some engineers. We're very happy that Sikkim is in very safe hands. So once again we wish all the teams all the best. And with this, let's move on to the first round of Quizzing You. We call this round Quizzical 1. The rules of the game is very simple. It starts clockwise. We end with Peling School. I will ask one question to each team. If you answer, you get a 10 points. If you do not answer, and if you pass it on to the next team, and if the next team answers it, they get 20 points. If it passes on to the third team, they get 30 points if they answer it. Likewise, if it goes to the sixth team, they get 60 points. So it's a very, very high scoring rounds on the pass. We would request you to think about the answers. The questions could be a little tricky, so take your time, think about the answers before you give it out. I will read out the questions, and the questions are also going to come on the screen in front of you. So with this, let me start the first question to the team from Sombaria. Here is your question. Founded in 1853, Levi Jeans is named after its founder. Can you name the person who founded Levi Jeans?
Johnson Levi's.
It is not Johnson Levi's. It's a good try that you've made. Moving on to Assam Lingche. If you get this, you get 20 points. Who is the founder of the very famous Levi Jeans?
John Levis.
It is not John Levy. They tried their best. Not John Levy. Moving on to Mangan for 30 points. What's your answer?
Levi Strauss.
Brilliant on that. 30 points, Mangan Senior Secondary School. That is Levi Strauss that you're looking for as an answer. Excellent on your answer. With this, we move on to Assam Lingche Senior Secondary School. Your question. We're very glad that we have two girls who come to participate in a quiz competition. Here is a question again on women. The question is, she was born in Italy as Edwige Antonia Albina Meno. In 2004, she was named as the third most powerful woman in the world by Forbes magazine. She is also the longest serving president of the Indian National Congress. Who are we referring here? A question on women to the two girls from Assam Lingche. It's a plus 10 if you get it right.
Sonia Gandhi.
Brilliant on Sonia Gandhi. They opened the account with Sonia Gandhi. Excellent. It's a 10 points for you on Sonia Gandhi. Now moving to the boys from Mangan. They have got the 30 points. Let me see whether they can crack this one. This play is considered to be one of Shakespeare's first play to be performed at Globe Theatre, and has the immortalized words, "Beware of the Ides of March." Which book or play are we talking about? Beware of the Ides of March. William Shakespeare.
Merchant of Venice.
It is not Merchant of Venice. It moves on to the boys from Tadung School. There is no negative, even if you give me a wrong answer, so you can give it your shot.
Romeo and Juliet.
It is not Romeo and Juliet. Moving on to the team from Higathang. It looks like she knows the answer because she pulled the mic from her partner. You have an answer on this?
Julius Caesar.
Brilliant on Julius Caesar. The answer we were looking for is Julius Caesar. The way you took the mic from my friend, I realized that you knew the answer. Excellent on that. So with this, we come to the fourth question. The question goes to the boys from Tadung Senior Secondary School. Here is your question. This consumer awareness program, launched by the Minister of Consumer Program Affairs, Government of India, has launched multiple channels to create consumer awareness. What is the punchline of consumer rights in India? What is the punchline for the advertisement for the consumer rights in India? If you watch your TV, you'd be able to give me this answer.
Jago Grahak Jago.
Brilliant on that. They watched the television and the answer we were looking for is Jago Grahak Jago. Excellent. You get your points on a straight. Congratulations. With this, we move on to the team from Higathang. They have got their points. You've already opened your account. Hopefully you will be able to take this one also. Here's the question. He was the 5th Prime Minister of India, and his birthday falls on the 29th of February, which is also a leap year. He is also the only Indian national to receive the highest national award of Pakistan, which is Nishan-e-Pakistan. Which Prime Minister are we talking about? You don't lose any points if you give me the answer. What's the answer?
Rahul Gandhi.
It is not Rahul Gandhi. He is not yet the Prime Minister of the country. Moving on to the boys from Pelling.
Dr. R. Venkataraman.
It is not Dr. R. Venkataraman. He was the President and not the Prime Minister. Moving on to the boys from Sombaria. You can take it 30 points if you get this right. The boys from Sombaria are thinking really hard. You can give it a shot.
Pass.
It passes on to the girls from Assam Lingche. You take your 50 points if you get the right answer.
Morarji Desai.
Morarji Desai. Brilliant on that. Give them a round of applause. Morarji Desai is the answer we were looking for. The girls from Assam Lingche are on a high. Excellent answering. Moving to the 6th team, which is Pelling. Here is your direct question. Discovered in 1869 by German pathological anatomist Paul Langerhans. Where would you find the islet of Langerhans? Where would you find the islets of Langerhans?
Sorry, pass.
It passes on to the boys from Sombaria.
Pass.
It passes on to the girls from Assam Linche. Here's another point to win 30 points.
Antarctica.
It is not Antarctica. Moving to the boys from Mangan. Take your 40 points if you know the answer.
Pass.
It passes on to the boys from Tadung.
France.
It's not France. Moves to the team from Higyathang. What is your answer on this?
Ireland.
It is not Ireland. And if somebody who's looking at becoming a doctor, the islets of Langerhans is found in the pancreas. So pancreas is the answer we were looking for in the human body. And with this we come to the end of the first round. It's been very exciting. All the teams have tried their best. We will see you soon after the short commercial break.
Visit Old Factory for branded perfumes and many more. Old Factory New Market, Gangtok.
Do you have a passion for gaming and animation? Here's an opportunity to convert your passion into your career. The Asian Institute of Gaming and Animation, AIGA, Bangalore introduces BFA in Digital Design, a 3-year graduation in Gaming, Animation and Computer Graphics in a UGC recognized university. The course is offered
For admission, contact 8040480900 or 07795681304 or 9972579702. Asian Institute of Gaming and Animation, AIGA, Old Airport Road, Bangalore. Log on to www.aiga.in.
Welcome back after the break. After a very exciting first round, we are ready to play the second round of this competition. We call this round Quizzical 2. In this round, we will go anti-clockwise. The scoring pattern remains the same. It's a plus 10 on a direct and 10 more points gets added to the team which goes next. There's no negative on this, so each team you can try it your best in terms of trying to give out an answer. So this time we start from Pelling Senior Secondary School. Here is your question. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the architect of the Indian Constitution. He also formed a political party other than being a member of the Indian National Congress. Name the political party formed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Schools have studied B.R. Ambedkar. The schools know that he was the architect of the Indian Constitution. Somewhere it looks like they're stuck with the political party that he had formed. Pelling trying very hard in terms of giving out the answer. There's no negative on this teams, so you can give it a shot.
Bharatiya Janata Party.
It is not Bharatiya Janata Party. Moving on to the team from Higyathang.
Bahujan Samaj Party.
It is not Bahujan Samaj Party. They have tried to bring the political connect of the present day, but it is not. It's a good try.
Communist Party.
It is not Communist Party that you're looking for. Mangan.
Minority Party of India.
It is not Minority Party of India. They also have been trying to use their common sense. Moving on to Assam Linche.
Samajwadi.
It is not Samajwadi Party. Moving on to the last team, Sombaria Senior Secondary School.
Aam Janata Party. Aam Janata Party.
It is not Aam Janata Party we were looking for as an answer. The answer we were looking for is Independent Labour Party. That is the party which was formed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Moving on to the next team, Higyathang. Here is a question. Which song was banned in South Africa in 1985 because it was dedicated to Nelson Mandela?
Pass.
It passes on to the boys from Tadung.
We shall overcome.
We shall overcome. It was a good attempt, but it is not the answer we're looking for.
I had a dream.
I had a dream is not the answer. I'm looking for very popular of the 80s. Which song are we looking for?
Pass.
It passes on to the boys from Sombaria.
My past has gone.
My Past Has Gone is the song which I also need to hear. Moving on to the boys from Pelling.
Buffalo Soldier.
Buffalo Soldier is was a very popular song, yes. But the song that we're looking for is I Just Called to Say I Love You. That was a song which was banned in Africa because the singer Stevie Wonder during his acceptance speech said that I support Nelson Mandela. Alright, so moving on to the third team, which is Tadung. Here is your question. This could be an easy one. Take this. On which date every year is the historical Nepali Language Recognition Day or Nepali Bhasa Divas observed?
20th August.
20th
August.
28 or 20? 20 August is the answer that you're giving. 20 August is the right answer. Excellent on that. They get 10 points on 20th August. Brilliant on that. Here is a question, Mangan, on history again. In which city was Gandhiji on 15th August 1947? This could be a little tricky. In which city of India was Gandhiji on 15th August 1947? That was the day when we were independent as a country. Which city was Gandhiji in?
Mumbai.
Mumbai is not the answer we're looking for. Moving on to the girls from Assam Lingche. What is your answer? There's no negative scoring, so you can give it a shot.
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad is not the answer that we're looking for. Moving on to the boys from Sombare. 30 points if you get it right.
Delhi.
Delhi is not the answer we're looking for. The boys from Pelling. Go for it. You get a 40 points if you get it right.
Calcutta.
Calcutta is the answer that you're given. Calcutta is the answer we're also looking for. Excellent on Calcutta. Kolkata is the city that we were looking for as an answer. Brilliant on that, Pelling School. You've got your bonuses. Brilliant on that. Moving on to the team which is on my extreme right, the girls on my right, the girls from Assam Lingche. Here is your question. Only two non-Indian have received the Bharat Ratna. One is Nelson Mandela. Who is the other recipient? The Bharat Ratna is given to people who are brought up in India because they have contributed so much to the country. There are only two people who've got it. One is Nelson Mandela. Who is the other?
Indira Gandhi.
It is not Indira Gandhi. She was born and brought up in India. Moving on to the boys from Sombaria.
Sonia Gandhi.
It is not Sonia Gandhi, yet to receive her Bharat Ratna. Moving on to the boys from Pelling.
Mother Teresa.
It is not Mother Teresa. She had adopted India as a country. Hi Gyathang.
Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln is not the answer we're looking for. We're too far on that. Tadung School.
Firoz Gandhi.
Firoz Gandhi is not the answer we're looking for. Moving on to the boys from Mangan. You take 60 points if you can answer this question. So the boys from Mangan are taking a lot of time. They know that if they crack this, they get a straight 60.
Ratan Tata.
It is not Ratan Tata. The answer that we're looking for is Frontier Gandhi or Abdul Khan Ghaffar Khan from Afghanistan. With this, we come to the last question of the second round. we have Sombare Senior Secondary Schools ready to take the question. Your question is as follows. National Education Day is an annual observation in India to commemorate the birth anniversary of the first Education Minister of independent India. Who was India's first Education Minister? Sombare, this is a question for you. We also observe National Education Day each year. On whose birthday do we observe National Education Day? There's no negative, so you can give it a shot. Yes.
B.R. Ambedkar.
It is not B.R. Ambedkar. Moving on to the boys from Pelling. On whose birthday is National Education Day observed?
Rajendra Prasad.
It is not Rajendra Prasad. Moving to the team from Higyathang, what is the answer that you have?
Dr. S. Radhakrishna.
It's not Dr. S. Radhakrishna. Tadung has already picked the mic. They think that they know the answer.
Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad.
Brilliant on that. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Abdul Kalam Azad is the answer that we are looking for. Excellent, Tadung. They have been waiting for this opportunity to get some points. And with this, we come to the end of the second round. It's been a very, very fascinating 2 rounds that we have had. And before we go for the break, we'll look at the scores. End of the second round, the scores have been extremely competitive. The first team is yet to score. The second team on 60 points. Third team, which is Mangan, on 30 points. The fourth team on 60 points. The fifth team on 30 points. And the sixth team on 40 points. It looks like each one of them have been playing extremely well. See you at the other side of the break for the third round.
Visit Pristine for watches, diamond jewelry and sunglasses. Pristine New Market, Gangtok.
The tough and stylish TUV 300.
For the first time in the history of television quizzing in Sikkim, we have used technology. The third round that we are going to play is called Quiz Buzz. This is a buzzer round, and this is one of the most exciting rounds also in the competition. The rules of the competition are as follows. I will read out 5 questions. On each question, if you know the answer, you press the buzzer. It's a plus 20 if you get it right. It's a minus 10 if you get it wrong. And there are no passes in this round. Your questions are going to be read out by me, and also your questions are going to be there on your screen. So let's start the third round, the round we call Quiz Buzz. So ready with your buzzers? Here is my first question. This earth-moving company was founded by Joseph Cyril Bramford. How do we popularly know it as? The earth-moving company founded by Joseph Cyril Bramford. How do we popularly know this company? Alright, Mangan has gone for it. For 20 points, what's your answer?
Google.
It is not Google. We said earth moving company. The answer we were looking for is what is seen every day by all of you also. The answer we're looking for is JCB. Joseph Cyril Bramford, or JCB Machines, earth moving company. Never mind. Your next question on the screen. Sachin Tendulkar played for which county club in England? Alright, you've gone for it. Higyathang, what's your answer?
Yorkshire.
You spell it for me?
Yorker.
The answer we're looking for is, we have to give we have to give the points to the teams which gives us the right answer. The answer we're looking for is Yorkshire and not Yorkshire, so you do not get any points for it, but it's a great try that you have given. The third question on your screen. The Vyavasayik Pariksha Mandal is in the news. How do we popularly know it as? This is in the news almost every day. Vyavasayik Pariksha Mandal. How do we also popularly know this scam as? If you've been watching your television for the last 15 days, this is almost there in the news every day. So how do we know this scam as? It looks like all the teams have been reading a lot of books but forgot to watch the television. So this is a question which looks a little difficult. I give you a clue on this. Okay, on your buzzer, the clue is this is to do with entrance exam scams. Alright, Ji Gyathang have gone for it. They've watched the television. What's the answer? It's a plus 10, it's a minus 10. A plus 20, minus 10, sorry.
UPSC.
UPSC is not the answer we're looking for. The answer we're looking for is the Vyapam scam, which is on television almost every day. Madhya Pradesh Vyapam scam is the answer we're looking for. It's a minus 10 for your team, but very glad that you tried it out. The next question is something that has come in the last one also. So somebody who knows this answer will quickly press the buzzer. Your question on the screen is, if Gandhiji was from India, Frontier Gandhi was from Afghanistan. What is the latter's real name? Frontier Gandhi, alright. They've gone for it. Mangan has gone for it. What is the answer that you're looking for? On the mic, what is the answer we're looking for?
Abdul Khan Ghaffar Khan. Abdul Khan Ghaffar Khan.
Abdul Khan Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan is what is the answer we're looking for. Excellent on that. Mangan, you get your 20 points on this. The fifth question and the last question for this round should be an easy one. On which particular date in 2014 was the Swachh Bharat? Alright, Ji Gyathang, you've gone for it. What is the answer that we're looking for?
2nd October.
2nd October 2014 is the answer we're looking for. Excellent on 2nd October 2014. And this brings us to the end of the third round. It's been very exciting. All the teams have played their best. We will see you after this short commercial break.
Greendale Senior Secondary School, affiliated to CBSE. Play-learn method of learning. First school of Northeast to be associated with global classroom. State-of-art facilities. For admission, contact 03592 232157 or 850-984-0532 or 8348-537-119. Address near ICAR Complex, Tadong, Gangtok. टेलिमन्त्रको एनर्जी ब्रेसलेट जसले हाम्रो चारैतिर फैलिएको खतरनाक रेडिएसनको प्रभाव कम गरेर हामी भित्र रहेको पोजिटिभ एनर्जीलाई सञ्चालन गर्दछ। एनर्जी ब्रेसलेटले ब्लड प्रेसर, डायबिटिज, खुट्टा अनि काँधको दुखाइ जस्ता बिमारीहरूलाई कन्ट्रोलमा राख्ने गर्दछ। अर्डर गर्नको निम्ति अहिले नै कल गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ 9093890938 मा या 96415243665 या त 9641924365 मा पनि कल गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ।
Welcome back after the break. It's been a very exciting 3 rounds. We move on to the 4th round. We call this round Quiz AV. This is an audio-visual round, and this time we start anti-clockwise. I'm going to show you either a slide on the screen or make you listen to some audio. Each team will get 1 question. If you can answer, you get plus 20. If you cannot answer, you get minus 5. There is a pass, and on the pass, if you answer, it's a plus 20. On the pass, if you do not answer, it's a minus 10. If you answer it wrong, it's a minus 10. Alright? You can pass it, you don't lose any points on it. So we move on with the team from Pelling. Here is your first visual clue on the screen. Identify this landmark place. Identify this landmark place. Pelling team looks like they've seen this place but not able to figure out where it is and what it is. If you know the answer and give it right, it's a plus 20.
It's the Golden Temple.
It's not the Golden Temple. It brings on to -5 to your team. Never mind. It moves on to the team from Higyathang. You can pass it. You don't lose any points if you don't know the answer.
Pass.
Passing it on to Tadung School. Tadung School looks like
Hotel Taj Mahal.
It is not Hotel Taj Mahal. Moving on to Mangan.
Pass.
It passes on to Assam Lingje. Girls want to try it.
Jama Masjid.
It is not Jama Masjid. It's a good try that you made. It's not Jama Masjid. Coming to the boys from Sombaria, you get 20 points if you get it right. -10 if you get it wrong.
Pass.
It passes on. The answer we're looking for, this is the night view of the Victoria Palace, Calcutta. That's the answer that we're looking for. Moving on to the second team, Higyathang. Here is again your visual. Identify this tennis legend.
Pass.
Passes on to Tadung School.
Pass.
It passes on to Mangan.
Pass.
Lingje. They do not want to. They want to play it extremely safe. All the teams.
Leander Pace.
It is not Leander Pace. The girls are very brave. I've seen that the girls are very brave. They want to answer all the questions. It's unfortunately not Leander Pace. The boys from Sombaria, you have an answer on this?
Pass.
It passes on to the boys from Pelling. You have an answer on this? Pass. It passes on to me. The answer that we're looking for is Bjorn Borg. Bjorn Borg, the tennis legend, is the answer we were looking for. Never mind, sometimes you get the answer, sometimes you don't get the answer, it doesn't matter. Moving on to the team from Tadung Senior Secondary School. Here is your audio clip. Listen to this very carefully.
Agnipat, Agnipat. वृक्ष हों भले खड़े हों घने हों बड़े एक पत्र छाह भी मांग मत मांग मत मांग मत.
Which famous poet's words are this, the recitation of which is done by legendary Amitabh Bachchan? Who wrote these lines?
Arish.
You need to give me the exact names.
Harivansh Rai Bachchan, sir.
Brilliant on that. Harivansh Rai Bachchan is the answer that we're looking for, who also happens to be the father of the legendary Amitabh Bachchan. Moving on to the team from Mangan. It looks like it's a good day for you. So the question to you is, on the screen, identify the family. Identify this family.
The Simpsons.
Brilliant on that. Simpsons is the answer that you're looking for. It was an easy one. You've been very lucky with the Simpsons. Hopefully the girls are also quite lucky with the next visual. On your screen is the visual. Which Amir Khan movie is this still from? Which Amir Khan's movie is this still from?
Fana.
The girls watch their movies. Let's give it to them. The girls have said Fana, and Fana is the answer that we're looking for. Excellent on that. The girls from Assam Lingje. They play very brave, and glad that you've got your 20 points on this. The last one, to the boys from Sombaria, you need to identify this voice.
As we have gathered here together to thank God for the Nobel Peace Prize, I think it would be beautiful that we pray the prayer of St. Francis of Assisi, which always surprises me very much. We pray this prayer every day.
Alright. Whose voice is this?
Sonia Gandhi.
It is not Sonia Gandhi. Almost similar. They realized.
Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi is not the answer we're looking for. Moving on to He Gyathang. We cannot repeat the question.
Pass.
Passing it on to Tadung.
Pass.
Passing it on to Mangan.
Pass.
Passing it on to the girls from Assam Lingche. They have always been trying. Hopefully this time also they will try it out.
Mother Teresa.
Brilliant on Mother Teresa. Give it to the girls from Assam Lingche. Mother Teresa and her Nobel acceptance speech. Excellent on that. The girls are playing, as I said, very, very brave. With this, we come to the end of the 4 rounds, and we will see you after the break with the scores and the 5th round.
सिलगढीमा पहिलोचोटि दाँतको आधुनिक चिकित्सा केन्द्र खोलिएको छ। यहाँ तपाईहरुले डिजिटल एक्सरे, फिलिङ, क्लिनिङ, ब्लिचिङ, आरसीटी, जिर्कोनिया क्राउन विथ 15 साल वारेन्टी, अल सेरामिक क्राउन, नर्मल डेन्चर, फ्लेक्सिबल डेन्चर तथा न्यू दिल्ली डाक्टरद्वारा इम्प्लान्ट अनि कलकत्ता डाक्टरद्वारा ब्रेसेस ट्रिटमेन्ट आदिको उपचार गरिनेछ। विशेष क्राउन साथै आरसीटी ट्रिटमेन्ट एकै दिनमा गराइन्छ। तपाईहरुको लागि कम खर्चमा आधुनिक तकनिकीद्वारा आफ्नो दाँतको चिकित्सा इन्टर ओरल क्यारमा हेर्न साथै उत्तम उपचार पाउने हुनेछ। आस्टर डेन्टल केयर, एन्ड अफ प्रणामी मन्दिर रोड, अपोजिट हैदरपाडा मार्केट कम्प्लेक्स, सिलगढी।
This program is co-sponsored by AIGA, Sikkim Motors, Old Factory, Pristine, Greendale School, Touchwood, Anaya and Ashray Dental Care, Telemantra, Sikkim Supreme, and Hotel Sikkim Delight.
Welcome back after the break. We're ready for the last round, but before the last round, let us look at the scores of all the teams. Team 1, Sombaria Senior Secondary School, 5 points. Team 2, the girls from Assam Lingche Senior Secondary School, on 80 points. Team 3, Mangan Senior Secondary School, on 60 points. Team 4, Tadung Senior Secondary School, on 80 points. Team 5, He Gyathang, you've been playing very well, but up and down, 20 points. And Team 6, Pelling School, on 25 points. Let's give them a round of applause as they get ready to play the last round of this competition, which we call as Rapid Fire. In this, each team is going to get 3 questions. There's no pass. It's a plus 10 for the right answer, minus 5 for the wrong answer. And this time, we move clockwise, starting with Sombaria Senior Secondary School, your 3 questions. What is common to KL Sehgal, Dilip Kumar and Shah Rukh Khan? What is common to the 3 actors, KL Sehgal, Dilip Kumar and Shah Rukh Khan? All the 3 are movie actors. So what is common?
Kings of Bollywood.
They're not the kings of Bollywood. They all played the character of Devdas. Second question. Titan is the largest natural satellite of which planet?
Jupiter.
It is Saturn that we're looking for as an answer. Moving on to the third question. Which is the hardest naturally occurring substance found on Earth? Hardest naturally occurring substance found on Earth.
Diamond.
Brilliant on diamond. You get a 10 points on diamond. And this brings us to the end of this round for Sombaria Senior Secondary Schools. You all played very well. Thank you very much. Moving on to the girls from Assam Lingche. Here are your 3 questions. Who is known as the Saint of Gutters? Who is known as the Saint of Gutters?
Lord Mahavira.
It's not Lord Mahavira, it is Mother Teresa. You answered a question in the last round. Mother Teresa is the answer we're looking for. The second question. With whose permission, with which king's permission, did the English set up their first factory in Surat? whose permission or with which king's permission did the English set up their first factory in Surat?
Vikramaditya.
It is not Vikramaditya. We're looking for Jahangir as an answer. Never mind. Your third question. Who was conferred Pakistan's highest civil award, Nishan-e-Pakistan, in April 2015? Who was conferred Pakistan's highest civil award, Nishan-e-Pakistan, on 21st April 2015? The girls look like they want to try it. If you pass, there's no point, you lose. It passes on. This brings us to the end of the round for Asanmingche Senior Secondary School. Girls, you played very well. Thank you very much for participating in Quizzing You, Sikkim's first ever televised quiz show. Moving on to the third team, Mangan Senior Secondary School. Here are your 3 questions. Which major sporting tournament began in Greece in 776 BC?
Olympics.
Take your 10 points. Olympics is the answer. We're looking for 10 points to the team from Mangan. Here's the second question. Which is the only country that doesn't have a rectangular flag?
Nepal.
Brilliant on that. Take your 10 points. And Nepal also. Here's your third question. Let us see if you will be one team which is going to take the hat-trick. 3 teams from Asia qualified for FIFA Cup 2014. 2 are Japan and South Korea. Which is the third team?
Australia.
Australia is not in Asia. So 3 teams from Asia was the question. So you said Australia. So never mind. They've lost some point. They've gained some point. Also, that was Mangan Senior Secondary School for us. Thank you very much, boys, for playing this game with, playing this quizzing competition with us. We're very glad that you came all the way from North Sikkim to come and participate in this competition. Moving on to the team from Tadung. Tadung, here are your 3 questions. What is the holy book of Parsis called? Parsis, the holy book of Parsis.
Pass.
It passes on to the next question. The answer we're looking for is Zend Avesta. The second question. In which country is the world's largest plastic recycling plant located? The world's largest plastic recycling plant. In which country is it located? This could be a little bit of a common sense. So which country is the world's largest plastic recycling plant located?
Costa Rica
is not the answer we're looking for. The answer we're looking for is China. The third question. Who is the current finance minister of India?
Arun Jaitley.
Brilliant on Arun Jaitley. And this brings the end of the 3 questions for Tadung Senior Secondary School. The boys have played very well. Glad that you're part of Quizzing You. Thank you very much for coming to the show. Moving on to He Gyathang, here are your 3 questions. Who was named as Time's Person of the Year in 2014? The Time Magazine Person of the Year 2014. Who was named?
Narendra Modi.
Not Narendra Modi, it is the Ebola fighters. The second question. Rangaswamy Cup is associated with which sport? Rangaswamy Cup.
Pass.
It passes on to the third question. The answer we're looking for is men's hockey. The third question. The Rath Yatra in Puri is celebrated in the honor of which Hindu deity? The Rath Yatra in Puri is celebrated in the honor of which Hindu deity? Or which Hindu god? The Rath Yatra.
Ram.
Jagannath is the answer we're looking for this question. It's called Puri Jagannath Temple. So Jagannath is the answer we're looking for. Moving on to the boys from Pilling. Before that, I'd like to also thank He Gyathang for coming all the way from North Sikkim and participating in this very exciting quizzing U competition. Thank you very much, team, for coming and participating with us. Moving to Pelling, here is your 3 questions. If you boys watch cricket, you'd know this. Who is the current president of BCCI?
Jagmohan Dalmia.
Please take that 10 points. Jagmohan Dalmia is what we're looking for as an answer. The next question, also on sports. The procedure of doping test in sports is done by collecting sample of which item? The procedure of doping test in sports is done by collecting sample of which item? If you have taken some substance before or after the competition, some sample is collected to check whether you've taken it or not, and that's what if you have taken it, you're disqualified. If you have not taken, you qualify. So doping test is that. So sample of what is taken for the doping test?
Urine.
Brilliant on that. Urine is the answer we're looking for. And this brings us to the third question. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is an internationally acclaimed artist in which instrument? Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma. Which instrument does he play?
Tabla.
It is not the tabla. The answer we're looking for is santoor. And this brings us, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to the end of the 5 rounds of this very exciting Quizzing You competition. We'd like to thank all the schools for participating, and we'll take a small break. After the break, we'll come back with our winners.
This program is co-sponsored by Aiga, Sikkim Motors, Old Factory, Pristine, Greendale School, Touchwood, Anaya and Ashray Dental Care, Telemantra, Sikkim Supreme, and Hotel Sikkim Delight.
So welcome back after the break. It's been a very exciting 5 rounds of quizzing, and like any competitions, in this competition also we have some winners and some participants. We're very glad to share with you that in this competition we have 2 teams who are going to go to the semi-finals. The first team that I'd like to invite on stage is a team which played very brilliant, the team from Tadung Senior Secondary School. If you can please come forward and receive your bouquet of appreciation. Tadung Senior Secondary School, ladies and gentlemen, is the team which goes on to the semi-finals of Quizzing You. And the next team which goes with us to the semi-finals, ladies and gentlemen, is a team of 2 boys again from Mangan Senior Secondary School. I'd like to invite the both of you to please come forward and receive your bouquet of appreciation. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mangan Senior Secondary School, which is the second team which goes out to the semi-finals with us. So once again, we'd like to thank each one of you for viewing Quizzing You, and we'd like to see you next week. Thank you and good night.
Was presented by Sikkim Digital Network. This program was co-sponsored by Aiga, Sikkim Motors, Old Factory, Pristine, Greendale School, Touchwood, Anaya and Ashray Dental Care, Telemantra, Sikkim Supreme, and Hotel Sikkim Delight.